Hey guys, so I got the MacBook Air M1, the cheapest MacBook Air you can buy, and I want to see whether or not it can replace my Mac Pro. Without getting further into the details and what I'm going to be using it for, let's just see what's inside this box and let's see what it comes with. So here we have the new MacBook Air M1. Let's see what comes with it. I chose the rose gold version because, well, I love gold.
I love gold!
And let's lift this up. And we have the gold. Looks really nice. Comes in the new comes in the new slender packaging. I'll put that aside for now. And inside we have the USB-C cable, charging USB-C, USB-C, or Thunderbolt cable. Have is designed in California, designed by Apple in California. There we go. Just documentation, regular stuff. Nothing too exciting here. Oh, and we have the gold stickers. So that's interesting. It comes with the nice gold stickers, so to go with the actual color of the laptop. And then we have charging brick. USB-C charging brick. Nothing really, it's pretty standard for this. It comes with it's wrapped in that paper covering rather than the plastic for their environmental friendly kind of green movement that they're doing. And that's it. That's all in that box. New MacBook Air with the M1 chip. Feels really, I don't want to say high quality, because everyone says, oh, it feels high quality. But it feels, quite sturdy. It feels very dense. It's quite heavy for its size. And yeah, it feels dense. There's not a lot of kind of wasted space with this. Yeah, so I can't wait to try this out. So what I plan to do with this is see whether or not it replaces my Mac Pro. Is an old tower. It's from 2009. It used to be a Mac Pro 4,1. Then I, flashed the firmware, did a 5,1 upgrade so that I can actually swap out the processors, change the graphics card. And I've taken it as far as I could. Really, for 2009, that's 11 years old now. I've hit that wall. I've brought it up to the 2013 versions in terms of speed and performance, and I hit a wall. I can't go further than Mac OS Mojave, which means sooner or later, more sooner than later, I won't be able to upgrade. I won't be able to get any more software. Software will stop being kind of like supported for it. And it's just kind of like this downhill slide for it. But what I plan to do with this is put it through its paces. I need to know whether or not this will work. As a professional creative, I create ads, I create brands, I create, I do graphic design and photography, and I need to know whether the cheapest MacBook Air can handle the work that I do, because that's important. It's important that the software, yeah, it's compatible, it runs off the Rosetta 2, but I need to know whether or not this cheapest MacBook Air can handle all the software. And we've seen a lot of videos about that. Like, it can handle the software, runs fairly good. But the one thing that's missing from all of the kind of videos that I've seen is whether or not it can handle the files that I use. Because that's a whole different story. This has 8 gigs of RAM. It has a 7-core GPU. You're not really going to top off the GPU that much with, Photoshop or with, most of the applications that I use. So will this be good enough? Over the course of these next few videos, I'm going to be running tests on the various software that I use, and I'm going to try to do it as in-depth as possible in terms of not how each thing functions, but more or less whether or not it can handle the type of workload that I'm going to put at it. So I hope you guys stick around for that. It's going to be coming out, in the next few days. I'm going to be releasing them, and we'll see together whether or not the cheapest MacBook Air can handle the work of a professional creative. If you like this video, please subscribe. Every subscriber counts. I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all the subscribers to this channel. This channel is very new, and we're doing, more things in the coming days, weeks, months, even, going into 2021. This is going to be a great kind of kickoff to all the things that we're doing. And yeah, subscribe, like this video if you like it, and comment below if there's something you want to see. If there's a piece of software that you particularly use, and maybe I can get my hands on it, then I can load it into this machine and see how it runs. So until next time, thanks, take care, and I'll see you again.